Now turn. No brake. Why you hit the brake? Hit the gas. Why you hit the brake? You're turning. Come inside. You already cleared the curb. Come inside. If you hit like this, white turn. You fail. See. That's white turn.
Yeah?
Your tire cannot go more than 2 feet out. You hit the curb, you fail. You go more than 2 feet outside, you fail. Understand?
Yeah. So if I'm taking the right, I have to come into the right lane. If I'm taking the left, I have to come into the left lane, right?
That's right. But your tire cannot go more than 2 feet away from the curb. You understand?
Yeah.
You can 1 feet or never mind. You hit problem, put your right signal on. Hold your brakes now. Every road, the turning is different. You understand?
Yeah.
See, this road is like an X. The road is like this. You see, like this, not straight.
Yeah.
Like this. Stop. Okay, see that side. Any car coming or not? Yes. Don't roll. Hold your brake. You're not holding your brake. If truck is rolling and you're watching, they fail you. See any car coming that side or not?
No.
Go. Push the gas. Push the gas. Go straight. Go. What are you pushing, man? Now turn. Come inside. Inside. See? That's a good turn. See, that's a good turn. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to teach you how to push the gas pedal now, okay?
Sad, one day I see a guy, he turned his truck like he turned his car. Are you making videos?
Okay, get ready.
What video?
Yeah, hold the pedal. Now push it full. Yes. Yes. Watch your mirror, both sides.
Yes, sir.
Wait, don't talk. Don't talk. Hold your brakes. I already see the light flashing. You understand? Yes. When we learn, we want to learn serious. After we can talk.
So when you feel attached, right?
Yeah.
After how long you can
2
do it
weeks.
again? 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Same like car?
If you're lucky.